Morocco is a country located in North Africa, bordered by the Atlantic Ocean to the west, the Mediterranean Sea to the north, and Algeria to the east. The economy of Morocco has a rich and diverse history that spans over several centuries, influenced by various factors such as geography, climate, culture, politics, and global economic trends. Morocco has a long history of trade, dating back to the Phoenician period when Carthage established colonies along the coast of North Africa. The Berbers, who were the indigenous people of Morocco, were involved in trade with the Phoenicians and later with the Romans, who conquered the region in the 1st century AD. Morocco was also a major center of Islamic learning and scholarship during the medieval period, and its economy was based on agriculture, trade, and crafts such as pottery, leatherworking, and metalworking. During the 16th century, Morocco was ruled by the Saadi dynasty, which established a strong central government and expanded the country's trade relations with Europe, particularly with Spain and Portugal. Moroccan goods such as sugar, leather, and textiles were in high demand in Europe, and the country became a major exporter of these products. In 1912, Morocco became a protectorate of France and Spain, and its economy was largely controlled by foreign interests. The colonial powers introduced modern infrastructure, such as railways and ports, which facilitated the export of Moroccan goods to Europe. However, the colonial period also had a negative impact on the Moroccan economy, as the country was forced to export its raw materials at low prices, while imports of manufactured goods were heavily taxed. The Moroccan people were also subjected to forced labor and land expropriation, which led to social and economic inequality. Morocco gained independence from France in 1956, and the country's economy underwent significant changes in the following decades. The government introduced policies aimed at modernizing the economy, such as land reform, nationalization of key industries, and investment in education and infrastructure. The tourism sector also became a major contributor to the economy, as Morocco's natural beauty and rich cultural heritage attracted visitors from around the world. In the 1980s, Morocco adopted a market-oriented approach to economic development, and the government implemented structural reforms aimed at reducing state intervention in the economy and promoting private sector growth. These reforms led to increased foreign investment and trade, and Morocco became a member of the World Trade Organization in 1995. The Moroccan economy continued to grow in the 2000s, driven by sectors such as textiles, agriculture, and tourism. The government also launched several initiatives aimed at promoting regional development, such as the creation of free trade zones and the development of infrastructure in rural areas. However, the country still faced challenges such as high unemployment, income inequality, and dependence on volatile industries such as phosphate mining. In recent years, Morocco has continued to pursue economic reforms aimed at increasing competitiveness and diversifying the economy. The government has launched several large-scale projects, such as the development of renewable energy and the expansion of transport infrastructure, which are expected to boost economic growth and create new jobs. Morocco has also strengthened its economic ties with other countries, particularly in Africa, through initiatives such as the African Continental Free Trade Area. The country has also signed several bilateral agreements with countries such as China, which has become a major trading partner and investor in Morocco. In 2020, the Moroccan economy was hit hard by the COVID pandemic, which led to a decline in tourism and a slowdown in global trade. However, the government introduced several measures to support businesses and protect jobs, such as tax relief and financial assistance for affected sectors. Overall, the economy of Morocco has shown resilience and adaptability in the face of challenges and has continued to grow in recent years. In 2021, the Moroccan government introduced a new development model aimed at achieving inclusive growth, reducing regional disparities, and addressing social and environmental challenges. The new development model includes a range of policy measures, such as improving the business climate, promoting entrepreneurship and innovation, developing human capital, and increasing investment in sustainable infrastructure. The model also emphasizes the importance of regional development and inclusiveness, with a focus on improving the quality of life for all Moroccans, including those living in rural areas and marginalized communities. Morocco has also made significant progress in promoting renewable energy, with the government aiming to generate 52% of the country's electricity from renewable sources by 2030. The country has invested in large-scale solar and wind projects, which are expected to create jobs and reduce dependence on imported fossil fuels. In addition, Morocco has continued to strengthen its economic ties with the European Union, its largest trading partner, through initiatives such as the Deep and Comprehensive Free Trade Agreement and the EU-Morocco Association Agreement. The country has also signed several agreements with African countries, such as the African Development Bank, to promote regional integration and trade. Despite these positive developments, Morocco still faces challenges such as high unemployment, particularly among young people, and a large informal economy. The country also faces environmental challenges, such as water scarcity and desertification, which could have a significant impact on its agricultural sector. In conclusion, the economy of Morocco has a rich and diverse history, shaped by factors such as geography, culture, and politics. Over the centuries, the country has developed a strong tradition of trade and craftsmanship, which has evolved into a modern, diversified economy. Despite facing challenges such as inequality and environmental degradation, Morocco has shown resilience and adaptability and is well positioned to continue its economic growth and development in the coming years.